All right, so you've retained an attorney. You got a case going on. Now you're in this unique situation of trying to figure out, are there times where, with regards to your case, you should be okay with talking about your case? Start by asking your attorney what you should and shouldn't talk about. If you have an attorney representing you, you want to know what are the instances of situations where it is okay for you to share information about your case. Ask your attorney so they can tell you. So this way you have a good foundational knowledge in terms of what information you should feel comfortable with about sharing and what you shouldn't. If you have an attorney and you're questioning whether or not you may have said something that was harmful or to the wrong person or somebody who probably didn't even need to know about it, don't sit there and try to guess or figure out and then keep that information to yourself until the attorney finds out. Let them know. So when you know that you're in a situation where you've talked to someone or said something out loud about your case and you're wondering whether or not you should have said anything, let the attorney know so this way there's no shocker. And as your case gets done, ask if it's okay for you to talk about it after the fact. Because you don't want to do something that puts yourself in additional legal peril because you thought that, oh, my case is over, I can say whatever I want to and I can let everybody know what's going on. You want to sit there and you want to make sure that when your case is done, that you talk to your attorney and say, hey, now that I'm done, am I bound by any agreements? Is there anything about this whole circumstances that I cannot talk about? So this way you're not in a situation where you're now worried that maybe you say something that's harmful when in essence you're just basically moving accordingly and just talking as you normally would. Your case is your case. And this is something that it's affecting your personal livelihood. Once your case is resolved, then we can talk about this is what you need to be mindful of going forward. Your case is your case. Use some discretion in terms of what you share. And if you have an attorney, let them guide you as to what is the best mechanisms for you to share information so that you don't inadvertently say something that messes up yourself during your case. You don't say anything that blows up your situation after your case is done.